everyone, welcome back to our channel AppleWiz. In today's video, we are going to see how you can fix your FaceTime activation error occur during activation. Well, there are some few processes that you can try, so let's dive right into it. So the first one is to restart your iPhone. So simply just hold on to your power on button and your volume up button both at the same time like this. And then in here, you can see there is the option of slide to power off. You can simply just slide this button in order to power off. In order to turn on your phone, you can simply just press onto your power button until you see the Apple logo. And like that, you can restart your iPhone. So hopefully that would fix the problem. You can go to your settings and check it. Open the settings app and in here, scroll down until you see the option of apps. Tap on apps. And in here, search for your FaceTime. Here you can see, tap on it. Then in here you can see there is the FaceTime enabled currently. You can tap on FaceTime in order to disable it like this and again try to enable it. And just like this, here you can see mine works perfectly like that. And hopefully your will also be fixed like that. But if it still does not, the next thing that you can do is reset your network settings. So what you're going to do is again go to your settings for that. And in settings, now tap on general. And after tapping on general, scroll all the way down. Then you can see the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it and then tap on reset. And in here you can see there is the option of reset network settings. Tap on it and then enter your phone's passcode. So after you've done that, tap on reset network settings and then this will reset all of your network settings and put it on default. Now, after doing that, now you have to put on your Wi-Fi password one more time and try to connect to your internet and check if it fixed your issue or not. You can again come back to the main settings and again scroll down and tap on apps and again search for the FaceTime and then tap on it. Again, you can see there is the option of FaceTime. Tap on this toggle button. It is turned off and again tap on it in order to turn it on. And just like this, it should be able to fix your error that was occurring during the activation. And hopefully that would fix your problem. Let me know in the comments whether it worked for you guys or not. If it did, please do not forget to subscribe our channel and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.